Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a simple and efficient way to design a payment method UI for a food app using Figma. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find and leverage Figma templates to build a professional-looking payment interface quickly, while still making it uniquely your own. Whether you're working on your portfolio, building a client project, or just love experimenting with UI design, you'll pick up valuable tips that will save you tons of time. Alright, let's jump right in. One of the best ways to speed up your workflow in Figma is by utilizing existing templates and tools. It can be tempting to build every UI element from scratch, but starting this way can sometimes eat up a lot of your valuable time, especially for common interfaces like payment methods, which need to be functional, familiar, and clean. So instead, we're going to make use of Figma's fantastic library of community templates. Don't worry, using a template doesn't mean your design will look generic. In fact, you'll see that it's just the jumping-off point, and you'll have plenty of room to add your own personal touch. First, head over to the Figma Resources and Community tab. If you haven't explored this area before, think of it like a huge, searchable library created by designers all over the world. In the search bar, type Payment Method UI. This will bring up a variety of pre-made payment method screens and components. Just scroll through the results and look for a design that matches the aesthetic or features you're aiming for in your food app. Take a moment to preview each one, checking how they've structured the layout, incorporated different payment options like credit cards or PayPal, and used color or typography. This is a great way to get inspiration too. Once you've found a payment method UI that you like, just click on it and select Open in Figma. At this point, it'll pull up the design in your own Figma workspace. If you're new to Figma's template system, don't worry, it's super easy. Opening the template won't affect your own projects unless you decide to copy it over, so feel free to experiment. Now take a close look at the template. Are there colors or icon styles you want to swap out? Maybe your app uses a distinctive color palette or you want to tweak the layout. This is your chance to make the design your own. Try changing the brand colors, updating the fonts to match your app, or swapping in icons that feel more on brand. Even small changes go a long way toward personalizing a template so it fits seamlessly with the rest of your UI. Once you've made your tweaks and customizations, go ahead and select the parts of the payment method UI that you want to use. Copy them, head over to your food app's main Figma file and paste them right in. You might want to adjust spacing or resize certain elements so everything looks consistent within your app's flow. Don't stress if it doesn't look perfect right away. A bit of trial and error is totally normal. Take a step back and see how the new UI feels alongside your existing screens. This is a great time to ask yourself, does it seem easy for someone to add a new card or pick a payment option? Is the overall look in harmony with your app's style? And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created a polished payment method screen without reinventing the wheel and saved yourself a bunch of time in the process. Templates are truly like shortcuts from the pros. Just remember, it's your custom touches that make them stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific UI you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more Figma tips and design walkthroughs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.